Equipment grounding connects all non-current carrying metals parts of the wiring system or apertures to the ground. Examples include cabinet of the service equipment, the frames of transformers and motors, the metal conduct and boxes, the metal shield of shielded cables, poles, towers, and more. An anti-static bag is a packaging material that's specially designed to help prevent static electricity interacting with sensitive electrical components. These bags are made of plastic polyethylene terephthlates and often used to store and transfer electrostatic sensitive equipment. An anti-static wrist strap (ESD) wrist strap or ground bracelet is an anti-static device used to safety ground a person working on very sensitive electronic equipment to prevent the buildup of static electricity on their body, which can result in ESD. ESD mat is designed to drain static discharge from items placed on its surface. It also serves to protect the surface of the ESD sensitive devices from wear and tear. Printer toner is a power-based print medium made from granulated plastic that allows for greater accuracy and control. Toner powder is controlled and then transferred to paper by charging printing drums. So what is a battery of a computer called? CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide stimulator conductor. The CMOS battery powers the BIOS firmware in your laptop. BIOS needs to remain operational even when your computer isn't plugged into a power source. And grounding yourself means you deliberately make sure that you have no static buildup on your person by touching something with a more positive charge before working on delicate technology to make sure that you don't accidentally break a component. A CRT is a specialized vacuum tube in which images are produced when an electrician beam strikes a physiological surface. Most devices computers display make use of CRTs. The CRT in a computer display is similar to a picture tube in a television receiver. A mobile phone, cellular phone, cell phone, or any handheld phone, sometimes shortened to simply mobile, is a portable telephone that can make and receive calls over a radio frequency link while the user is moving within a telephone service area. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to a tablet, is a mobile device, typically with a mobile operating system and touchscreen display, processing circuitry, and a rechargeable battery in a single, thin, and flat package. What are the lifting techniques? Look straight ahead, keep your back straight, your chest out, and your shoulders back. This helps keep your upper back straight while having a slight arch in your lower back. Slowly lift by straightening your hips and knees, not your back. Keep your back straight and don't twist as you lift. So why should we remove jewelry before PC repair? An easy way to get electronic is to work around a high voltage device like a power supply while wearing metal rings, watches, or bracelets. Remove anything conductive from your hands before working inside your computer, especially if you're doing something like testing the power supply. Capacitors are miniature electronic components contained in many of the parts inside a PC. Capacitor stores electrical charge for a short while after the power is turned off, so it's wise to wait a few minutes after pulling the plug before working on your PC. Cable management is essential to create a visually pleasing and clean work environment. Managing cables or wires help maintain basic functionality and protect the device from the clogged airflow due to messy and disorganized cables.